Hello guys, as you read on the title, I want to show you my Dragon Ball figures collection. I don't know if it's a collection. Okay, I get a few of them, I don't get a lot. Okay, so let's start with... Yeah, you know who this guy is. Then, you know who this guy is. You have to be stupid if you don't know it. Then, little Gohan. I don't remember that toy. Then, yeah. Badass. Yeah. Then, one of my favorite Trunks, but it doesn't work very well. Then, another one. I don't like this one. And, you know, Raditz. I love this thing. When I was a kid, I really wanted to get one. Then, Goten, yeah, it's Goten. Then, Trunks Super Saiyan. Then, I don't know if this is Gohan or Gotenks. I don't remember. If you know, please tell me. Then, a huge one. King Cold. Freezer's dead. Another Trunks, like he's, you know, transforming, or I don't know. Another Trunks. Gohan's. Yeah, it's Gohan's. The daughter, I didn't remember. One of my favorites, classic Trunks. I don't remember if this comes with a sword. I lose this part, damn it. One of my favorite, Freezer. And Majin Buu reincarnation or something like that. Oop or Boo, I don't know. And another Trunks. So yeah, I get a lot of figures, I may say, but actually I get two more. I'm gonna show you right now. Wait. Hey, I'm back, but I just found more figures, not these two. I told you that I'm going to look for just the figures, but I found more. Okay, you know, these two guys are like BFFs from the, you know, Genius Squad. I loved that episode with the little guy, the green guy. Oh, I loved it, okay? Then I got this guy, Trunks. I don't know, my uncle gave this to me. I don't know where in the hell he found it. It's very rare. You see, a lot of hands. One bigger than these figures. Little, you can see in my hand, compare it. They are so little. We get, I don't remember. Vegeta, Gotenks, I don't remember. Gohan. And sorry guys for, I don't remember the names, and sorry guys for that. I'm stupid, okay? Sick. Oh, one of my favorites, Gohan, when he fought with this guy. Yeah. Then we get little Trunks. I get like 6 Trunks, bro. That's sick. Then Majin. I don't remember the name of this guy, but I remember that this guy was this guy. Get Broly, the how it's Super Saiyan, I don't remember the movie. Ha! You just here. I don't remember. You may say this guy is stupid. Yeah, I'm stupid. Then we got Android 16. They are more bigger. We get Boo. We get Gohan as a superhero. Gohan's girlfriend. I may say boyfriend. This girl is a guy. Come on. Then we have Krillin. As you can see, my little dog bite his food. Bite me. Really. Ten Shinhan. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. And finally, this little guy. Okay, so yeah, I get a lot of figures. I don't remember these guys, but when I was looking for this, I just found them. So thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe, share this video with all Dragon Ball fans. Okay, and thanks.